Recording? Yes, sir. ZL1, baby. Got the little name tag on there now. I know y'all see it. Oh. Get a little POV, me just driving. Straight engine sound. That blick right there. Hopefully they don't do nothing in the YouTube video, but yeah, man, I'm learning pretty good on driving this car. Learning pretty good on driving this car. It was hard for a second, for like first couple days I got it, but now I'm not really stalling no more like I was. And I stalled today actually, dang, but I haven't stalled in like the past 3 days, so it's been pretty good though. So we're gonna go to a couple back roads, turn active red match on. Let's go. Hopefully I don't stall. Car coming. Let's go this way. Oh my gosh. I just hit the curve. I gotta check that out. I literally just hit a curve. That's not cool. Maybe I ran over something. I probably ran over something. I don't think I hit a curve, but I definitely ran over something fucking big. Let me let the windows down so I can really hear. This car is actually ridiculous. And that active rev match is crazy. Let's go this way. Woo! Hopefully y'all still recording. Just turn right here. Yeah, but this car is a dangerous car, bro. Especially for like me learning how to drive a stick on this car. So dangerous. Very dangerous car. But yeah, I'm gonna have this video. I'm not gonna. Let's go this way, actually. This way. But what I was saying though, I'm not gonna cut this video up or nothing. It's gonna be just a video of just engine sound and me talking a little bit. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. And let me just stop talking for a little bit and just drive this car. Cause it's dangerous as hell. That supercharger is so nice. I can't wait till I get my intake. Let's see, still recording? Yep. Oh, there's gotta be a car coming somewhere. Oh, no car's coming. Oh. This car is just literally all stock. Like the engine, all this is stock and it's still loud. Ooh, almost stalled right there. Oh man. Oh, this is a hill. Dang it, I'm not good with hills yet. Damn, I'm not good with hills yet, man. Let's bust it right. It's a long straightaway, a couple turns. I might head to the lake. No cars coming? Perfect. Bro, this car is so fucking fun, man. God dang, this car is so fun. God dang, man. I'm shaking like how crazy this car is. I never had this is my first supercharged car. First 650 horsepower car. I went from a V6 to V8 Camaro SS. And now I got the big boy, the Camaro ZL1. Stick shift at that. My first stick shift car. I might have to go around these people. I might turn around, honestly. I'm not trying to go all the way to the lake, so. Man, that's it for the video, man. But make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment down below what kind of videos y'all want me to do for y'all in the future. So, it's your boy Sosoy TV. I'm out, man. Peace.